South Africa, 7 plug-and-play side hustles, and I'll prove one makes 500 Rand by Sunday. If you tried side hustle videos and nothing stuck, this one is different because I prove it. If I can't, I will send 1,000 Rand to a viewer. Progress bar starts now. And I'll show you how to pick one play for your situation so you don't have to chase all 7. Let's go. Each side hustle shows you what to do, how much you can earn, and the proof. I've put every step in a free tools pack, the 12-clip planner, the interview DM, and the pricing sheet. Watch this first so you know how to use them. Side hustle idea number 1. WhatsApp micro franchise. Best for small suburbs where families have 2 incomes. No skills, no income, WhatsApp does the work. You just pass the job to the right person. Here's a normal job. 2-bed flat clean in Alberton. Took 50 minutes. They paid 450 Rand. Here's how it works. Step 1. People tap your WhatsApp menu to book. Step 2. They fill a quick form. Step 3. The job lands on your Trello board. Step 4. Pick the best helper using a simple score, quality, price, and speed. Why this works in SA. Households outsource small jobs on WhatsApp because trust beats ads and EFT is easy. Hate no show. If you're a day late, client gets 100 Rand back. You can lock 2 nearby areas for 90 days. For example, client pays 400 Rand. You pay your helper 320 Rand. You take 130 Rand. Do 8 jobs in a week. That's about 1,040 Rand. Step 1. Find jobs on Facebook, Gumtree, or WhatsApp groups. Do around 10 jobs a week. Each job is under an hour. You earn about 155 Rand to 195 Rand each hour. Red flag. If helpers slip on punctuality twice in 14 days, post new bookings and replace. Speed protects margin. Your margin dies when your helper disappears. Keep 2 backups on your Trello board. Side hustle idea number 2. Interview sprint. AICV plus LinkedIn. Great for beginners in office jobs in SA. Get 5 interviews in 45 days or get half your money back. Worried no one will answer? Send 3 messages each week. Try this message. Hi Tandy. Saw your admin assist post. I've done switchboard plus stock capture. Could we do a 10-minute call this week? Send 3 messages. You'll probably get 1 reply and a short phone call in 7 to 10 days. The lever isn't the CV, it's consistency. 3 clean outreaches a week beats 1 perfect CV once a month. How it works. Step 1. Fix your CV. Step 2. Write your cover letter. Step 3. Upgrade your LinkedIn. Step 4. Practice answers in a 1-hour mock interview on video. Run this if you can spare 90 minutes a week. Skip if you can't commit or you burn 2,000 Rand on hope. The sprint costs 2,000 Rand. If 1 interview becomes a job, that's a big win for the month. If you're an admin assistant in Johannesburg, target 12,000 Rand a month to start. Even 1,000 Rand raise covers the 2,000 Rand sprints fast. You don't have to take my word for it. Here is real proof from last month. 5 real interview invites came in and 1 offer email. That's why this sprint pays for itself. Yep, 50k raised last month. Want the same? I'll show you how. WhatsApp teach me to the number on screen to book my free consultation. Invite landed. Camera shy clients, voice note wins. Next up, side hustle idea number 3. The voice note factory. Perfect for coaches, agents, or salons who already post once or twice a week. Hate filming? Send me a voice note and I'll make 12 short videos in 12 days. No camera needed, otherwise you pay half. First, I pull a catchy first line from your voice note. Then I add captions and a nice layout. I post them on your Reels or TikTok with a simple calendar plan. Each week, I switch 1 video to match a new trend. Here's how I make money. Plan costs 2,499 Rand a month. With 4 clients, that's over 10,000 Rand a month. Say this, perfect for coaches, agents, or salons who already post online. Take their voice note and make 12 short videos. It takes 4 to 5 hours of work. Most clients stay monthly. This wins because clients buy momentum, not editing. 12 posts in 12 days equal visible progress. Guess what? The easiest one isn't side hustle number one. It's the voice note factory. I will show you why at the end. Watch this checklist in action. Open the 12 clip planner. Find the box that says grab hook. Tick it. Nice. Hook is on. Now highlight the line called caption style A. Read this sentence. Get result in time, even if common obstacle. We fill in the blanks. For example, get 12 clips in 12 days, even if you hate filming. Step 3. Highlight the sentence, copy it, and paste it into your real draft. Boom, your caption is ready. Now scroll down to the list. For clip 1, type your hook line. Pick a caption style. Pick a topic. Choose where you will post. Set a date. Choose a CTA and set your status. Do the same for clips 2 through 12. Remember, tick the box, copy the line, paste it in. 12 clips in 12 days. Easy. Great for hair salon weekly specials or rent tips. 12 clips, no camera. If 2 videos don't keep at least 1 out of 5 people watching past the first 3 seconds, change the hook style, not your client. Hooks fixed. Night empty, let's beat occupancy. Side hustle idea 4. Airbnb co-host. Works for Airbnbs with okay ratings but lot of empty nights. Don't own a flat? No problem. You help the host with messages and prices. You reply in less than 10 minutes and reprice weekly. If their revenue doesn't rise 10% in 60 days, your fees drop in half. Here's a simple 4-step plan. First, reply fast under 10 minutes. Second, keep a roster of cleaners and handovers. Third, change prices for busy and quiet days. Fourth, ask for good reviews after each stay. The goal is to add 2% more money just from this habit. Work cheap for the first month to prove you help. If it works, charge your normal fee after. If the money doesn't go up, the host can pick someone else. That makes you focus on making more money, not on random tasks. Joburg traffic won't save your booking. Reply fast, then fix pricing. On weekdays, you make the price lower. For example, from 850 to 720 rand. On weekends, you make the price higher, from 1050 to 1250 rand. That helps you book more nights, from 48 out of 100 to 60 out of 100. Don't reprice if reviews are less than 4.3 stars. Pricing can't outrun reputation. Fix service first. If one place makes 12,000 rand a month at 18%, you make about 2,160. Run 5 places and that's about 10,500 rand a month. Here is last month's Airbnb payout and before and after pricing chart. Revenue up 12% plus. Want to increase income? Watch the playlist, How to Make Extra Money on the Side. Up here now and on the end screen, don't miss it. Pricing sets. Next, stop bank bleed fast. Side hustle idea number 5. Bill/concierge. Made for salary earners paying high bank fees and with little savings. Bleeding on bank fees and bed rates? In just 45 minutes, I move your money to better banks, cut your monthly fees, and if you don't save 300 rand or more, you pay 0 rand. Every month you don't switch is money you never see again. Compounding hurts. I call it the ladder X system. L is for leverage banks offer. Switch to better deals and get paid for switching. A is for automate savings. Set and forget. Save without thinking. D is for downgrade account fees. Cut bank fees you don't need. Another D, data shifts. Get cheaper airtime plus smart bundles. E is electricity hacks. Use power smarter and pay less. And R is the rate ladder. Earn more interest with better accounts for your cash. Biggest unlock is decision fatigue. You do the switching for them so savings actually happen. If a client save 800 rand a month, you only pay 400, half. I never charge more than 1,500 rand. Do that for 10 people. That's 7,000 to 12,000 rand in a month, straight from their savings. No savings equal no payment. Simple. Help people with jobs who pay high bank fees and don't have much savings. Most can save between 300 to 900 rand a month. About 4 out of 10 people you talk to will say yes. Most viewers guess hustle number 3 wins. Here's why it usually doesn't. Savings compounding, now boost marks with a frame. Side hustle idea number 6, Matric Marks Booster. Best for grade 11 to 12 learners in Math Lit, English or accounting, scoring under 60%. I'll help you boost your mark by 15% or more in your next mock exam. If not, you get your fees back. It's called the Teach Max system. T is for topic lesson, short fun lessons. E is for exam drills. We practice real exam questions. A is answer frames, so you know what markers want. C is for cheat sheet, quick easy summaries. H is homework. I'll walk you through answers step by step. Here is the answer frame we use every time. Define, give example, show working, conclusion, watch. Define, say what the idea means in one simple line. Example, pick a small real number case. Working, show each step clearly. Conclusion, one sentence answer. Now let's use the frame in real questions. Question, a phone plan goes from 200 to 230 rand. What is the percentage increase? Percent increase tells us how much something went up compared to where it started. The phone plan was 200 rand. Now it's 230 rand. First, find the change. 230 minus 200 equals 30 rand. Now turn it into a percent. Take the change 30, divide by the start number 200, then times by 100. 30 divided by 200 times 100 equals 15%. So the price went up by 15%. Why we divide by 200? Because percentage increase always compares the change to the starting amount. If you divide by 230, you are comparing to the new price, which gives about 13%. That's not the standard percent increase. The question was, how much did it grow compared to where it started? Always divide by the start number. Now, let's apply the frame to accounting. Question, credit sales, 120,000 rand. Bad debts, 3,600 rand. What is the percent of sales? Bad debt percent tells us how much of sales won't be paid back. We had credit sales of 120,000 rand and bad debt of 3,600 rand. To find the percent, do bad debt divided by credit sales, then multiply by 100. That means bad debts are 3% of the sales. The question was part over whole, then times 100. Here, the part is bad debt and the whole is total credit sales. We fill this answer frame every time. Marks jump when learners follow a repeatable answer frame under time pressure, not when they study more. All this for just 599 rand for 4 sessions. Add note for 149 rand more. That's less than a night out, but for better marks. Parents don't buy tutoring. They buy predictability, a frame plus weekly updates. Get students from school WhatsApp groups and teacher referrals. Parents get a weekly report update. Each lesson is 45 minutes. Frame lock answers. Landlords need the same rhythm. Side hustle idea number 7, remote landlord. Great for landlords who live far away and have 2 to 12 properties. Remote landlord, contracted delays kill cash. Report in 48 hours, quote in 72, and if I miss it, it's 200 rand off each. Landlords far away don't need handy. They need reliable clockwork. Timeline plus photo proof equal trust. If a unit has more than 3 red flags, quote a stabilized package. Don't drip feed fixes. I use a 25-point checklist, take numbered photos, and upgrade each issue as green, amber, or red so you know what's fine, what needs watching, and what must be fixed. Here's a real checklist example. Look at the colors on the checklist. Red means stop, fix it now. For example, water drip under the kitchen sink. What to do? Call plumber or tighten pipe today. Orange means be careful, fix it soon. Like a plug moves when you touch it. Book electrician this week. Green means all good, no action. Like a window catch locks and opens smoothly. No action needed. Today, we send the reports. In 3 days, we get prices. In 7 days, we schedule the repair. Each inspection costs $6.99. Do 15 checks and you earn around $10,500 a month. Find landlords who live 25 plus kilometers away from their properties. Receipts can be faked, so here's a live screen record. No screenshots equal no trust. That's why I'm showing receipts. Most people guess hustle number 3 hit 500. It didn't. Watch, let me prove it. I ran hustle 1 this Sunday. The win isn't 520 rand. It's repeatability. Same play, same area, predictable jobs. 4 cleaning jobs came in through WhatsApp. Each job made me 130 rand after cost. That's 130 rand plus 130 rand plus 130 rand plus 130 rand, or 520 by Sunday. I tracked each one from the booking to assigning to finished. Goal, hit 500 by Sunday. Done. Every week you wait is 10,000 rand left on the table. Choose one today. If this helped you, share it with one person who needs it. Most people watch 7 hustles and try 0. Pick one area and lock it. Screenshot this if you need it. The exact file I use is inside the pack. Click the link below to get them. Pick one hustle idea. Pick one area. Try it for 14 days. If you've stopped before, that's normal. Use the 14-day rule. Track actions, not money. Input beats outcomes in a week. If you want personal help, WhatsApp Teach Me to the number on the screen, and I'll send you the checklist and help you one-on-one. I'm Ekow. I make money talk so you don't get played. Be a legacy builder. See you in the next video. Peace.